Hello guys, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Okay, in this video I will share a tutorial on how to create a Google Play Store account on Infinix GT10 Pro. Okay, without any more style, we go straight to the tutorial. Okay, first open the Google Play Store. And if you still don't have an account, you can immediately create an account. And if you have registered account and want to create a new account, you can click on the profile on the top right. And then you can click the arrow icon next to your Google account. And then click add another account like this. And you can wait for a while. And you can click create account over there. And you can choose, you can create for yourself or to manage my business. I choose for myself, and then you can enter your first name and your last name. Okay, click next, and then you can enter your basic information. Okay, click next, and now you can choose the Gmail address below, or you can create your own Gmail address. But to speed things, I choose this one and click next. Okay, now you have to create your strong password. Okay, when you're finished, you can click next, and then you can choose to add your phone number or not. If you want to add, you can click yes, and if you are not, you can click skip. And then you can review and click next. And for privacy and terms, you have to agree all of them and click I agree, and you're done. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to create Google Play Store account on Infinix GT10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.